Hello and welcome to another goofy little art video. Today we're working with watercolors. Yay! But we're only going to use two. I'm going to focus on cobalt blue and light green. We have our nosh paper. If you want to call it nosh, I don't know. And also I'm going to finish it off a little bit with my oil pastels. Now, I'm not even going to use a paintbrush. I put the cobalt blue in this bottle of water. And we're going to use, instead of a paintbrush, we're going to use a Q-tip. All right, let's get started right now. We made it rain. I hope you enjoyed this. Really, oh look what it's doing. It's doing the green. Oh my god, that's actually sort of pretty cool. Let's play with that. I was going to end the video, but heck, I mean, what do we got going on here? Like, this is sort of cool. Let's let the water dictate what we want it, what it wants to do. I'm going to let it go through the flowers and let it go back down. Oh, this is super badass. What? And of course it's dripping all over the table, but I don't care. I'm having fun. I hope you are too. This is so cool. We're gonna watch it just drip all the way down and let it come up to the top and just keep moving it. I think that's the fun part. It's almost like a game. Do you remember the old game back in the day where I think it was sand or something? And you can just move sand around, colored sand. I know I'm showing my age, but yeah, back in the day we had that little game. That's what this sort of reminds me of. What? That's wild. Okay, so it's still drying, but look what it did. So we'll see the finished product later. I'm going to put, when it's completely dry, I'll have it on my my thumbnail for you guys. And who knows, this could actually work. This is my analog. I'm gonna switch it into a digital photo. and see if I can make a surface pattern design out of this that I'll have up on my Spoonflower account in case you guys are looking for something fun and different to maybe add to your home decor, whatever it is. All right, guys. Thank you again for watching this goofy little video. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.